Give me 84 seconds and I'll fix your videography business in 2026. Now, the reason you have quiet months, especially in December and January, isn't just because that's how the industry works. Waiting for the right email, tweaking your portfolio or website, that's what's keeping you quiet. The videographers who are busy during your quietest months, they just follow a 3-step system that guarantees them work every month all year round. Step 1, paste 5 ideal client websites into ChatGPT and ask it for a full customer persona. Now you know exactly who you're talking to. Number 2, post 2 detailed case studies per week on Instagram and Facebook, not just finished work. Show them what made it successful, speak to your clients' problems, because that's what convinces them to buy from you. And step 3, Google your niche, grab 20 emails from different businesses and send them all personalized Loom videos saying, hey John, quick video, here's what I noticed about your website, here's the problem, here's the types of videos that I'd make, and here's how that would help your business. Let me know if you want to chat. Provide more value upfront than anyone else. Do this until you've got at least 5 meetings booked and now repeat the whole system every few months. That's how you fill your whole year with projects. There will always be 2 types of videographers, ones who wait and ones who build. Be the second one.